Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today in this session, I'm going to take up 3 occasions or 3 situations and I'm going to tell you 3 different topics on which you can start having conversation in English with people very easily, fluently and confidently. These topics and these occasions are so common that you will get an opportunity to talk to people, and since the topics are so simple, it will be very easier for you to start talking to people in English fluently, confidently and easily. So the main idea of coming up with this video is to help you improve your one-on-one communication, right? We do practice at home alone, in front of the mirror, in front of the video camera, to ourselves is well and good. Okay, that is your practice session. That is actually building your base or a foundation to help you to go out and speak with people. But at some point of time, you have to start talking one-to-one, which means you have to talk to people in English. You have to start talking to people or individuals in real life situation as well, just to gain more confidence and fluency in speaking in English. So you have to face real life situation, you have to face people, you have to face conversations so as to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. So that is why I've come up with this session, and it is really going to help you a lot in having a conversation in different situations on different topics in English, especially one-on-one conversation. So on that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Let's begin now. So we have a study plan. We practice every single day for an hour or half an hour, and we feel that we are confident to speak in English now. But your actual test is when you actually go and start speaking in real life situation with people, right? That is your actual test. And if you pass the test, well and good. If you are not able to pass the test, you have to try to face it. You have to try to work on that, right? And for that, I've come up with this session in which I'm going to take up 3 situations, and I'm going to take up 3 different topics in which you can have conversation with people in English in these situations or in any situation. Okay, and these topics are very common. You can take up these topics in any situation as well. Okay, so coming to situation number 1, a family get together. Okay, so it might be a wedding, it might be an engagement ceremony, it might be a child's birthday celebration or housewarming party or any festivals, etc., etc. There are lots of occasions wherein we have get-togethers or family get-togethers, right? So a lot of people come there. Our relatives, our family, our friends also join the party. And this is an occasion where you meet and greet people, right? You meet everybody. You don't have much time, right? You meet everybody and you just say hi, hello, and you just talk a bit, and then you go to the next person and you start doing something else, because there are lots of things to do in that limited duration. You have to meet everybody. You have to go and have, lunch or dinner, whatever is organized. You have to meet the person whose celebration is there. There are lots of engagements you have to do. So during this occasion or during this situation, what is the topic which you can take up and you can have a conversation with people in English? Okay, so talking about my get-togethers or my family get-togethers, we usually talk about vacations and holiday plans. We all are very interested in knowing different locations, different places where we can visit during summers or winters. So whenever we get together, whenever we all meet, after greeting each other, after asking about how things are going, we start discussing about our holiday plans. Like Where did you visit lately? Where did you go lately? Which place you have been lately for a holiday? Or what are your plans for the summer vacation, or what are your plans for the winter vacation? So we do talk about this topic, and this is a very interesting topic. Is everybody is interested in knowing different places, different spots where they can go and take a break, right? So if you don't want to talk about a holiday, we can just talk about what are your weekend plans, or what do you usually do during weekends. So this is also a very good conversation topic. It is a small talk topic. So this is also a conversation topic which can come up, or you can take up, and you can just start asking with people. So basically how it goes is, when you meet somebody, you can just greet that person. Hi, how are you? How are things? And of course, the other person will also ask you, what about you? And then you can answer this question. Yeah, everything is going well. Things are very hectic. I have 9 to 5 job. On top of it, I have to drop my kid and pick up my kid from school as well. So my routine is quite jam-packed. And then we can say, and I'm just planning to take a break and go on a holiday very soon. Okay, so this is how you introduce that topic in front of people. Okay, and after listening to this, of course, the other person will ask, oh, what are your plans? Where are you going? Okay, and then the conversation will start. Okay, and then you can have a discussion on that. You can just say, no, I haven't thought about anything yet, but I was just thinking of going to some cold place, or a warm place, or a beach, or a mountain. Whatever is there in your mind, you can just speak out. Or if you have planned anything like, oh, I want to visit Kerala. I've not yet booked the tickets, but I'm going to book my tickets. We have decided on going for a week to Kerala. I've heard it's very beautiful, and it's very peaceful and very calm. So I want to experience a houseboat ride. I want to taste the food there, the culture, and a lot of other places I want to explore in Kerala. Okay, and then of course you can ask the other person, have you ever visited Kerala, or do you have any plans to go to Kerala? You can just ask that, and in this way the conversation will go ahead. So this will not be a very big topic, like you can have a conversation for an hour or so, but then it will be a quick conversation. You will be able to have a conversation in English, and it will be quick as well. Okay, you don't have to say much in that, right? In this way your conversation will go ahead, and then you can end the conversation, and then you can leave and you can go. Okay, so this is one of the topics. So you can talk about your holiday plans, you can talk about weekend plans, you can talk about what do you do during free time, you can talk about movies, series, or any sports activity which people like to do during their free time, or when they get some free time. So these are all questions related to the same thing, right? When we take a break, or when we have some time, some free time, or weekends, we do talk about all these things. We can talk about all these things like, do you play any sports during weekend, or do you like playing any sports when you get free time, or do you like watching movies or a series or anything else, a theater, etc. during your free time? So you can ask all these questions, right? On these are small talk topics. You can have discussion on these topics. Okay, to start the conversation, everybody can reply to these questions and can talk about on these questions, and it's very easy to talk also. So this is one thing you have to keep in mind. In this situation, you can speak like this. Okay, so when you have a family get together, you can just take up these kind of topics and you can speak on that. Okay, with people. Situation number 2, office. Office party, or any event, or any celebration which is there in the office. What you can talk about with your colleagues? What are the small talk topics, or what all conversations, on what topics you can have conversations with your colleagues and your teammates, right? Or your managers, or whoever is there, right? Food. Food is a topic which everybody enjoys talking about. Okay, so when you are at a place with your colleagues or teammates, or your manager, or colleagues or teammates, whoever it is there, from your office, so you can talk about food. There are lots of questions you can start speaking on, like, What's your favorite cuisine? Or which food do you like? What is your comfort food? Do you have any favorite restaurant? Or have you tried any new restaurant recently? Okay, there are lots of things you can talk about. So, how you can start this conversation? So, suppose you've been enjoying the party and you've just met your colleagues standing and talking. So, you can just go and say, hi, how are you? How are things? You know, these are the basic questions which we do ask. And after answering this question, like, yeah, I'm good, thank you so much. What's happening with you? Okay, so after answering all these questions, you can just start this conversation by saying, you can introduce this topic by saying, have you tried the food? And then the person will say yes or no. And if the person says yes, you can just say, oh, what did you like? Would you like to suggest something which I should try from the menu? Okay, and then you can keep on talking, and if a person suggests something, you can just say, oh, pasta, it's Italian, I love Italian, I think you also love Italian, and then you can go on talking about it. And in case if the person says, no, I haven't tried the food yet, then in that situation you can always say, really, come, let's check the menu, and you can take the person along, and then you can start speaking about it, what is in the menu, you know, what kind of food you like, what you don't like. And you can just keep on talking about those things, right? So this is how you can have conversation related to food with people. The kind of cuisine, the kind of flavors you like, your favorite restaurant, your favorite dish, desserts. There are lots of things you can talk about related to food, right? And it is something which is very personal to us. We love talking about food and we love to enjoy our food, whether it is a dal khichdi or anything else, we love that, right? So you can talk about your comfort food, you can talk about anything related to food. That this is a topic which people love talking about. So when you start speaking on this topic, everybody will come and start giving their inputs related to the food and the conversation will grow. Okay, and you can keep on interacting with people in this way. So this is situation number 2, and another topic which you can come up with to have conversation with people at such events or parties or get-togethers. Okay, now situation number 3. When you are at places like at a mall or a restaurant or a hotel or a park or a seminar, any event, any place you are in, like a restaurant, a hotel or a park, a gym or a salon, you meet a lot of people there, right? Which you don't know, which you have met for the first time and you don't know if you'll meet them next. Okay, at such places, when you meet people, you can have conversation with them as well. I do get chance to have conversation with people when I'm at a salon or, you know, at a park or when I go for shopping, right? When I'm selecting something, somebody also comes in and they also start checking the same. So we start having conversation. Yeah, this is nice. Where did you get this from? Okay, so these are the topics which comes up and we talk to people whom we don't know and we don't know whether we are going to meet them next. Okay, so at such places, at such situations, how we can have conversation, on what topic we can have conversation, right? You can start with giving compliments. Right, this is the best way to have a conversation. And in any situation, you can take up these topics. Compliments work everywhere. So if you are in a salon or a restaurant or a hotel or anywhere else, gym or a shopping complex or a mall, if you are there and you just randomly met somebody and, you know, sometimes people smile or say hi, you know, just out of courtesy. So you can always reply to them by saying, nice dress. Or if I am at a salon, I can say, nice haircut, or this haircut suits you, or we can say, I love your accessories. You know, these kind of things we can talk about. And of course, the other person will also start talking to you. Where did you get this from? Yeah. So in this way, you can start talking to them also. So if you meet strangers on a train, on an aeroplane, or anywhere in a bus, or any other form of transport you are using, we meet people, right? We spend some time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 16 hours, 30 hours probably, right? depending on what mode of transport we are using and which place we are in. Like in a salon, if you have to wait for half an hour and you have other people also waiting there. So you do talk, you do interact when you're waiting at a restaurant, and there are a lot of other people also waiting for their turn. So you talk to people. So you can start with complimenting them, and you can start asking, where did you get this from? How did you get this idea? What do you love doing? These are the things we can just speak to strangers also. So I've given 3 different situations. One is a personal or informal party. Sorry, it's an informal party where you have your friends, relatives and family members. The second situation was where it was an informal party. Your office colleagues, your managers, your team leads, your director and everybody else is there. How do you talk about? And the third situation is people are completely strangers. How do we start having a conversation with strangers also? So complimenting is the best thing we can start with. And then we can decide on what topic we can talk. So if you have complimented related to hair or jewelry or accessories or the dress or anything else, you can just keep talking about that. Right? If you like somebody's dress, you can say, where did you get this from? I have been looking for this dress since long. You have a good taste. Anything you can say. At a restaurant, if you're waiting, you can just talk about how long have you been visiting this restaurant? What do you love to have in this restaurant? Or what is your favorite dish from the menu? You can talk about all these things, right? These are the topics which you can talk about to people, right? When you meet strangers. Or these are topics you can exchange in any situation. So these are small talk topics where you can start having a conversation with people, right? After meeting and greeting. So the first step is you have to meet and greet people. You meet somebody, you say hi, hello, how are things, how are you, everything when you've asked, and then you introduce this topic so that you can have a conversation, a small conversation with people in English, right? So these are very helpful, guys. Start considering these topics to start a one-on-one conversation with people. It will be a small conversation. It will be very easy. Keep something in mind, prepare yourself, and then go out and start speaking to people. In this way, you are going to build up your confidence. You are going to build up your fluency also gradually. Not at once you go and start having a discussion about your holiday or your vacation or anything else which needs an elaborate explanation. Don't do that. Start with one-on-one conversation with small talk topics, with such topics which doesn't need any elaborate explanation. Okay, keep this in mind, start doing this, and then you start having long conversations. These are very beneficial for beginners and intermediate as well. So in this way, you can just grow your conversation, and while growing your conversation, you'll grow in your confidence also and in your fluency also, and you will not realize it as well. It will be that quick and that effective and that easy. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.